Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, we're back in the kitchen. This time we're fixing up a meal. We're gonna make some dinner for my beautiful wife and my 4 kids. The meal tonight we're gonna make is called katsudon. It's a Japanese dish. It's made of a fried and breaded pork chop with egg over rice, and it's got this delicious sauce. The meal is very easy to find as far as ingredients go. They can get them all at your local grocery store. It shouldn't take too long to put together, so let's give it a try. One of the coolest things about growing up just outside of Los Angeles is that my friend group came from every background and color imaginable. One of my closest friends, Aram Cho, was a little Korean orphan. Adopted, incredible story. I'm totally kidding. He actually had the coolest freaking mom and dad ever. His mom, who served as our florist for all the high school dances, taught, if you're doing rice, you wash it 7 times. And if Mama Cho says to do something, you don't question it. Miss and love you, Mama Cho. And here are the 4 simple ingredients in our sauce. We have soy sauce, chicken stock. Now it calls for dashi stock. I was fresh out, so if you have that, you're welcome to use it. Mirin, which is a Japanese cooking wine, and white granulated sugar. That's it, and all of these were found in your local grocery store. So we'll start with 3 cups of chicken stock. We'll do 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have 4 tablespoons of mirin, and 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. And we bring that to a simmer. We're going to take that and let it cool. All right, we're going to get our oil going. We're going to use peanut oil because of its neutral flavor and high smoke point. All right, here we have our main star of the show, our pork chops. These are little guys, probably about 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick, so they're gonna cook pretty quickly. Quick tip, you're gonna wanna tenderize them. You can do that by getting a good old paring knife that everybody forgets they have in their drawer and get very stabby with them. That's the best way to do it. Also, if you have a decent fat cap like this, where fat and meat come together, and you're gonna throw it in a deep fryer, if you do little slits like that, and you cut it open, it'll prevent the dreaded curling in the fryer. So let's get stabby. Now we're gonna season thoroughly with salt and pepper. For our dredging station, we have our normal cast of characters. We have our all-purpose flour, which can be seasoned in lieu of seasoning the meat directly, our egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs, because after all, it is a Japanese meal. Let's get dredging. All right, let's get these in the fryer. Our oil has reached the perfect temperature. We're slightly above 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. It's going to cool down as we put in the chops, so let's get going. Looking good. We're going to flip them over. Those are all done. Let's take them out and set them aside to drain. All right, for our last step, we're going to put some sauce in a pan with some white onion, the cutlet, and some egg. All right, so I brought my son in, Luke, to give this a try, and it looks fantastic. Cheers.
I hope it's as good as it looks.
That's good stuff. That's good stuff.
That was really good. I got a big piece, but I might go in for more.
All right, guys. Very simple meal, easy ingredients to find, very inexpensive, and I'm feeding a family of 6. So go out and give it a try. Cheers.
Cheers.